Assalamu alaikum students. Now we are going to start lesson 8 of English grammar class 5. Open your books at page 28. Lesson is about prefixes. Prefixes are actually letters that are added before a word. Now I am going to read the text first. Then sometimes we add some letters before a word to give a different meaning to the word. Letters added before a word are called prefixes. Sometimes prefixes change the meaning of the word such that it means the opposite. Like the example we have, it is true, and when we insert the letters before the word true, it becomes untrue and it is opposite of true. In this way we can say that prefixes are the letters when we add them before the word, it can change its meanings. Come to the table. Here we have a table and we have to fill it up. You have to complete the table in your copies by seeing this. Like the first one, we have the word happy, and by adding un, we can change it into unhappy. Second one, we have interesting. By adding un in the beginning, we will make it into uninteresting. Similarly, in the same way we have divisible. By adding in, we will make indivisible. Divisible will convert into indivisible. Soluble into insoluble. Possible. Impossible is already given here, and we have to tell that it is derived from the word possible, and it will become impossible. And patient, impatient. Like mobile, immobile. Perfect, imperfect. Trust, distrust. Arm, disarm. Again we have word legitimate. When we insert the word ill, it becomes illegitimate. Literate, illiterate. Again we have aging. It will convert into anti-aging. Anti is prefix. Antiperspirant. So by inserting anti, we have changed the meaning of the word. It is a practice A. Here are some more prefixes. One example has been given for each. Write one more example of your own in your notebook. We can write it down. Like bi, it means to bicycle. We have to give one more example like bilingual. Bilingual means two languages. Ex means out of. Export, exchange. Interval, we can change into internet. Misbehave, mistake. Replace, recycle. Subway, sub-inspector. So by adding these prefixes, we have made some words. Now come to next practice. You have to add prefix to one word in the sentence so that it means the opposite, right? In the sentence, the boys in this class are very obedient. When we will insert this, it will become opposite. Disobedient. Please unlock the door. We have to insert un, so it will give the opposite meaning. He was very impatient with me. He said it was impossible to fly to the moon in the aeroplane. He adopted the baby in a illegal way. So we have inserted ill before the legal. So we have made it a prefix. You have to complete them by filling blanks with suitable word given below. Some words are given and we have to fill them in the blanks. I was bored listening to his rather uninteresting story. Since I can't come back before Friday, please postpone this meeting fixed for tomorrow. Dad looked very unhappy with my performance in the tests. He was sacked for showing disloyalty to his organization. Now we have extended exercise. Form your own words with the following prefixes. Right, some prefixes are given and we have to make words. Then use the words into your sentences. Like trans. From trans we can make transport. Post we can make post man. Preschool, monogram, monocot. It can be many words. Automobile, automatic, project, triangle, internet. Now it is your homework that you have to make the sentences of these words. Like you have to make the sentence of transport, you have to make the sentence of postman. So lesson is done. Thank you.